Okay, so this is a video that I've wanted to make for a while. This is my 2004 Acura TSX. This is a 6-speed manual. It is an A-Spec, and this is my favorite car. So I'll just go ahead and get straight into it. Start with what you guys can see. Full A-Spec kit all around. Even has the A-Spec badge on it. OEM exhaust for now, and this car's been super solid for me. And I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with as far as the wheels are concerned. These are 17x9 RPF ones. These have a 35 offset, and these are 245 4017 Accelera 651s. They're a little ashy right now, but don't mind that. They're working just fine. And I don't know, this car for me this is the only perfect car Honda's ever made. There's a lot of good cars Honda's made, don't get me wrong, but this one for me is just, it's perfect. It's super confidence inspiring. It's not super fast. That might be why it's confidence inspiring for me. I'm not a very good driver, but this one, like, I don't ever feel like I'm in trouble in this car. It's really good on gas. It's got one of the best K-Series motors you can ever get in this car. 6-speed manual transmission, and it's a sedan. I have kind of an irrational love affair with sedans, but that's neither here nor there. But I'll go ahead and show you guys everything else that's going on. So starting off with the interior. Let the windows roll down real quick. This interior is in really good shape. I just recently found a rip in the driver's seat where I sit down at. So this car has the OEM floor mats. It is kind of dusty right now, but all the dust is sitting on top of this floor mat. The TSX floor mat is there, as you can see, super clean. This passenger seat has no rips or tears in it. Everything is in really good condition. I probably need to condition these seats because that would definitely help, but I'll do that another day. Door panel is clean. Rear seats, nobody's ever sitting back here. As you can see, there's dust on the door panel. Some microfibers back here, but all OEM floor mats in the rear too. Just some aftermarket floor mats that are sitting on top of those. But the rear seats also are really clean, just dusty because nobody's ever back here. Show you guys the other side. It's gonna be a little darker because I got the GoPro going on and still haven't quite adjusted or figured out how to adjust the exposure and everything. But same thing going on this side. Seats are in very good condition. Floor mats there. Door panels are in super good shape. And so the driver's seat, I covered this bolster here, or this area of the seat, with black leather tape because I slide in and out of the car when I get in and out. There's nothing wrong with this part of the seat. I just wanted to cover it just for preventative maintenance, I guess. And maybe I should not have done that because if I ever go to take it off, maybe it damages the seat. I don't know, but I have no intention of selling this car, so not my issue. There was a rip here on the seat. It was, I have no idea how it got there. Obviously, I mean, probably from me sitting on it, but I covered this with leather tape as well. But outside of that, the driver's seat is in really good shape. OEM floor mat here too. The car has currently, how many miles does this thing have? This car has 249,000 miles currently on it. I bought this car at 182,000 from my friend Gerald. So big thank you to Gerald for selling me this car. The engine, this was my first K-Series car. And this has the K24 A2. This motor is super healthy. I've had zero issues with it. I've only had to change the valve cover gasket, but that's basic maintenance. Oil changes, standard on this car, just like on any car. This has a cold air intake engine, and is carb legal. Where's my carb sticker at? This also has a DC header. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but there is a DC header down there. Here's the carb legal sticker for my Honda. This has a Honda carb legal tune on it. Here's the DC Sport carb sticker. And so with the carb legal tune from Honda, I think it gives you close to like 200 wheel. I think I could be completely wrong there. I got to look at the picture again, but I haven't looked at that picture in probably a couple of years now. But I've raced some newer SIs, some B series swapped Civics, and mopped them up. This car is not slow by any stretch of the imagination. It handles, I think, better than any other car that I've ever driven, and it still has all the amenities. Like, I don't have to get rid of anything to have a good time in this car. I can turn my AC on, I can drive it uphill, I can take a road trip, which I've done in this car. I actually drive this car more than I drive my Civic, and this is just one of the things I love about this car. You can't really go wrong with OEM Plus, which is why I have a really hard time touching this car. I have, if you haven't noticed by now, the car is really dirty, but I have another bumper with an A-Spec lip on it that I got from my friend Clint. He sold me that, and he sold me the fender liners too, and I have the tray that goes underneath the car. All that was brand new OEM. The one thing that I do want to find, though, if I can find them still, are OEM 04 to 05 headlights, because I just want to stick with the 04 look, the OEM USDM look. I don't want to do the whole Mugen grill, which I have one of those too from Clint. But I don't want to go that route. I want to stay USDM. I like the way the USDM look is. Those are OEM fog lights as well. If you have an opportunity to get yourself a TSX, I highly suggest it. These cars don't break from my experience, as long as you maintain them. But that's it, man. By the time you guys see this video, it'll probably be 2 or 3 weeks from now, and I'm gonna do some driving videos with this car too, so be on the lookout for those. I will talk to y'all later.